This illustration deals with ampacities of single insulated conductors and free air. Now, of course, this is in accordance with NEC 310.17, items 1 through 3. And the purpose of the change was to provide us a new section, and this new section has been added to address the ampacity of single insulated conductors and free air in accordance with 310.17. And of course, this table has been relocated from table 310.15B17 in the 2017 National Electrical Code. Now, reviewing the installation, notice these conductors are in free air from pole to pole. It could be free air by most designers entering into an open bottom switch gear, that'd be free air, or maybe routed into a vault of free air, or routed in a concrete encasement type ditch where the conductors would be exposed to free air. But notice these overhead conductors they do not belong to the utility. Notice if you look at the upstream overcurrent device based upon the voltage from the utility pole number 1 here, notice we would review 215.2, calculate the load, 215.3, size the overcurrent device, 225.5, address these outside conductors, 225.8 does the same thing, 225.56, review those sections, and it kind of covers rules for these outside overhead conductors. You notice they're customer owned up here at the very top of the illustration. And when we looked at to overload overhead feeders 1,000 volts or less, 225.19A, that arrow drawn to the conductors, they're outside, and we kind of get that. And if you wanted to review the definition of a free air, just go to Article 100, and it's defined there. But if you want to review the notes with me here, then note 1, we're talking about conductors 0 to 2,000 volts. That'd be the insulation and so forth. Note 2, conductors 60 degrees C, 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 90 degrees C, 194 degrees Fahrenheit rated. So we look at the rating of the conductors there based upon 60 or 90 degrees C in note 2. Note 3 says the wiring's installed in a 30 degrees C, 86 degrees ambient temperature is listed in your table 310.17, items 1 through 3. Note 4, for ampacity of conductors, we'd see our table 310.17 because they're overhead outside conductors. Now, we will review this free air once again on into the presentation. We'll be looking at it and reviewing free air like when you're in a vault and areas where the conductors are not enclosed in conduit or cables or anything like that. In the note 5, we're telling you this illustration on page 1-8 in this book will also give you some input about this free air situation. So keep that in mind about the ampacity of conductors and free air. We would use our new table 310.15B17 to start with there.